All right, today we're here to talk about how headsets actually work. All right, most freestyle scooters will have what's called an integrated headset. The integrated part derives from the deck, has the cups that the bearings will sit in already integrated into it. Most headsets will have what's called your top cap or your dust cover that goes on top. You should put it on if you can. You technically don't have to. It's a combination of an aesthetic piece as well as something that does technically help keep some of the dust out. Most headsets will come with what's called a pinch ring. This goes on the top. You'll always have two bearings, one top and one bottom with your headset. And the last piece is the touchy one. It's called the crown race. Now, most scooter forks, and I can tell you that every single one on the Versus Pro Shop Q2 Scooters website has an integrated crown race. You'll see a little 45-degree angle at the bottom of your fork. That means that it's this piece already integrated into the fork. Both examples, IHC and SCS that I have here, have that piece integrated, which means you don't need that piece and you probably almost never will. So if you have an integrated headset scooter with a regular freestyle scooter fork, do not put the crown race on. Let's now look at how you build a scooter with an integrated headset. It's not super complicated, but you'd be surprised how many times we see upside down bearings and whatnot in the shop. On your fork, we'll have the flat side of the bearing towards the bottom, the 45-degree angle of the bearing on the top. It's gonna sit right into the bottom of your integrated cup right there, just like that. And then the top, it's the opposite. So the flat is gonna be towards the top, the angles are towards the bottom. You'll see the shape of the cup matches the shape of the bearing and it just slips right in there. After that, pinch ring. Pinch ring goes between the gap that you have on your fork and your bearing. And the last piece, again, optional. You'll even see some integrated dust caps or dust covers or top caps on certain clamps now, which is kind of cool, but it would be the last piece to go on. Boom. With this setup, I can now throw on an SCS clamp, that's a 4-bolt clamp, or a shim for HIC and add my bars with the clamp over top afterwards. The other thing we'll look at real quick, I'm leaving the bearings in. The bearings do not change. This fork is IHC. IHC is a different diameter of fork. Still the same 45 degrees for every contact point, but the pinch ring that comes with your headset most of the time does not fit. Every IHC fork can and should come with its own pinch ring for its custom fork diameter, which will then fill that space. Perfect. Often they'll have their own